Can't find saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone? This can happen if the media isn't downloading properly or isn't being saved to your gallery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Try to turn on the airplane mode and after 10 seconds, turn it off again. Now, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Allow WhatsApp photo access. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. After that, find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. Solution 2. Enable Save to Photos. Open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on the settings icon from below. Now tap Chats. Here you will see the option called Save to Photos. Simply toggle it on. Solution 3. Change auto download settings. Go to the WhatsApp app again. Now tap the settings icon below. After that, tap Storage and Data. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you will find Media Auto Download section. Under this section, tap on Photos. Select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. In this way, change all the media download settings to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now go to your Photos app. Find the saved picture or video. If you don't find the media here, scroll down a little bit. Tap on Recently Saved. Here you will find the saved media for sure. And that's it. This is how you can locate saved pictures and videos from WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any kind of questions, then feel free to write them down. Then feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.